Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect and use Zendrop with TikTok Shop. The first thing I would like you to do is to head over to your TikTok Shop account and launch it. So where can you find TikTok Shop? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice. Locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, go ahead and type TikTok Shop, and that's going to take you to tiktokshop.com. That's going to take you to the official website for TikTok Shop. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TikTok Shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to connect and use Zendrop with TikTok Shop. As you can see, Zendrop it has a lot to do with drop shipping. So just head over to the left corner of your screen. You have the others, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, growth center, down to finance. So select growth center. You have this extended menu that says missions and rewards, app store, TikTok Shop partner. Go ahead and click on app store, and it's going to take you right into the app store window. In here, head over to search apps and partners, and we're just gonna type in drop shipping. Okay, now that I've typed in drop shipping, head over to popular platforms and you're gonna find this this is Zendex, not Zendrop. Okay, so it's supposed to find Zendrop, but Zendrop is not here. But since Zendrop is not here, just go ahead and just locate Zendrop. No result found for Zendrop. That's pretty much heartbreaking though. Not connected. Okay, since we can't find any app related to Zendrop here, then we have to head over to TikTok. So go ahead and launch your TikTok mobile application. Once you do that, go ahead and locate the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on your profile, and it's going to take you to your profile window. Once you get into the profile window, select edit profile. Ensure that that TikTok account is a business TikTok account. So click on edit profile, and once you select edit profile, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see websites. So click on the website category, and in that website category, you're going to have to paste your Zendrop link into the website. So head over to your Zendrop account and get a link to your Zendrop account and paste it in websites right there in your profile, your TikTok profile. And once you click on that, you're going to be asked to connect Zendrop with TikTok. So just go ahead and finalize the connection process. And once you do that, your Zendrop link is going to be integrated into your TikTok account. That's your TikTok business account. So if anyone wants to do business with you through Zendrop, they can click on that and head over to Zendrop. And then use Zendrop through the link that you provided on your profile via TikTok. So that's pretty much the process. Quick and easy. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.